Here we observe the human male, sluggish and vulnerable. The coming journey to the fridge will determine if he survives until dawn.
The apex predator, alone, driven by a primal, ancient hunger. But the hunt has failed. Darkness offers no comfort. Driven by instinct, the subject returns to the cold sanctuary. But the hunt has yielded little. Survival instincts activate. He has not consumed a meal in 12 hours. AI turned my midnight snack run into a survival story. A change in strategy. He must seek new hunting grounds. The territory is barren. Resources depleted by a lack of foresight. Oh, shut up! I went grocery shopping last month. Maybe. Desperation sets in. Wasted energy. A fatal miscalculation. The final stages of exhaustion approach. The body begins to consume itself. But wait! What is this? A discovery. Unexpected. Miraculous. Could this be salvation? A concentration of vital salts and nutrients. Success. The hunter has his prize. This small victory will sustain him. It will grant him the strength to endure the night. For now.